Welcome back. Government has dropped proposal of building private medical college. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane announced on Saturday that seat capacity of GAMC will be increased by 200. Health Minister said that screening of newborn babies will be made mandatory.
Health Secretary Sanjeev Srivastav, Health Director Rajnanda Desai, GMC Dean VN Jindal and other members of council were present for the meeting. Vishwajit said that screening of newborn baby will also be made mandatory in private hospitals.
Is that we are going to make newborn baby screening, which is already all government hospitals it is mandatory. It will be mandatory even in private hospitals.
Health Department will recruit 30 advanced paramedics from EMRI Institute.
And these advanced paramedics will be in the position to administer clot diluters right from the location where a person gets a cardiac arrest or any such thing. 2 years of training and these type of facilities which is not available anywhere in this country will be made available in Goa. Apart from this, 6 emergency rooms I am commissioning on the 10th of August so that the patients in the rural area can get stabilized and then be shifted.
Department will take 10 more ambulances in EMRI 108 and will also start campaign on breast cancer in rural area.
Nucleic acid testing is being made mandatory in the state of Goa so that we have safe blood for transfusion because of the rise of HIV in the state of Goa. And also we are tying up with Path India, which is an NGO funded by Bill Gates Foundation for implementation of cervical cancer screening, and we are trying to tie up with them and have a pilot project for immunization program for cervical cancer.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravin Darvi.
Devotees of Lord Devki Krishna celebrated the famous Chikal Kalo with utmost devotion at Marseille on Saturday. The heavy rains from morning provided the perfect ambience to the much famed tradition of playing in the mud.
It's festive season of Ashadi Ekadashi and Dwadashi. On Saturday, people of Marseille enjoyed their traditional festivity Chikal Kalo. Every year, people of Marseille enjoy Chikal Kalo. This is a festivity held on Ashadi Dwadashi. People enjoy the festival with lots of grace and fervor. The Krishna temple too is very famous in the state. This festival starts after people worshipping Devki Krishna. The festival starts during the afternoon. People enjoy the festival dancing, shouting and singing in the mud. What is more interesting is that people throw themselves in the mud. Not just children but elderly people too participate in Chikal Kalo. The devotees says that this tradition is being celebrated from past 400 years. People forget the differences among them and participate in this festival. Due to less rainfall last year, people could not enjoy Chikal Kalo, but this year people enjoyed Chikal Kalo to the fullest. People believe that Lord Krishna loved playing in the rain, and this is the tradition where people depict their faith. Let's know what the devotees of Marseille say about this tradition.
कृष्ण जो पळय ल्हानपणान जे खेळ खेळटालो चिखलान तितले खेळ आमी हांगा सादर करता. हातून एक परंपरा आमची अशी आसा की हांगा कांय भुरग्या कांय हांकां पालकांक भुरगीं नासतात जाल्लीं तेन्ना ते हांगा येवन आंगण घेता की आमगे जर समज फुडल्या वर्सा येवच्या पयलीं जर बाळ भुरगे जर जन्माक आयले जायत जाल्यार ताका ह्या चिखला काल्याक तुज्या हाडून आमी हांगा ताका नाचयता आनी तुज्या बाळ गोपाळाक आमी मिठाई आतां सेलेब्रेट चड उत्साहान जाता कारण पयलीं कितें जातालें पयलीं इतली लोकेलिटी नाशिल्ली हांगासर आतां लोकेलिटी वाडल्या आनी भायले लोक सुद्दां जे हांगा पळय सेटल जाल्ले आसात ते सुद्दां ह्या काल्यान सहभागी जातात.
A senior reporter from Marseille, Rakesh Kandorkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
The concept of primary education in English forwarded by some of the Congress legislatures has invited various views and suggestions. Some of renowned educationists have opposed this thought. Most of them term system of education in mother tongue as internationally acclaimed concept.
Educationist Prabhakar Timlo feels that primary education in mother tongue is accepted all over the world. He also said that it doesn't hamper growth of the student.
मुळावे शिक्षण हे आवय भाशेंतल्यान आसचें हो एक इंटरनॅशनली एस्टाब्लिश्ड सिद्धांत. म्हणजे ताका आनी चड शिक्षण तज्ञाची मतां सोदपाची गरज ना. आतां सद्या हें पळय चल्लां की प्रत्येक जुन्या म्हयन्याक गोंयाक इंग्लीश म्हणटा तें मिडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन म्हळ्यार एट प्रायमरी लेवल म्हण डिक्लेअर जावचो अशें म्हणून तो बोवाळ पळय करतात म्हळ्यार राजकारणी करतात आनी थोडे पालकय करतात ते फक्त अनुदानाचो खेळ तो.
Even diocesan society has supported primary education in mother tongue, but they have also said that students should be imparted knowledge of other languages.
We have always been with this view that education should be in mother tongue. But this does not prevent to have together with this other languages also. Now today the concept of mother tongue also is changing. When you say mother tongue, it's the tongue or the language spoken in their homes when they grow. Now, which is the language is being used in each and every home? Can we say that's only single language? There are various languages. That means there is a need to give a deeper thought for this issue. It's not a simple issue.
Subhash Velinkar has criticized the legislatures proposing primary education in English.
काँग्रेसान आतां काँग्रेसच्या काही आमदारांनी सरकार कडेन मागणी केल्या की प्राथमीक स्तराचेर जें हांगा मराठी माध्यम आसा तें काबार करून तें रिप्लेस करचें इंग्लिशीन अशा पद्दतीन मागणी केल्या. ह्या मागणीक जबरदस्त विरोध गोंयांत जातलो. पण काँग्रेस हें करता आसतना हेंय विसरता की महात्मा गांधीजीनूच प्राथमीक शिक्षणाचें म्हत्व जें आसा हें मातृभाशेंतल्यान कित्याक हें आसा हें मांडिल्लें आसा ताणें बऱ्या पद्दतीन. गांधीजीचे विचारूच सोडपाचें जेणे ठरयिल्लें आसा तांच्या नांवान कोण रडटलो अशी स्थिती आसा आतां.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with Samir Bhatt from Madgaon for Prudent Media.
We will be right back after a short break. Stay tuned for the news from sports.